Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to crop a clip in the CapCut app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the CapCut app, and here it usually opens up in the home menu where we have our projects. We have to tap on one that we want to edit, and then we have to select a picture that we have to select a clip that we want to crop. Let's say it's this one, and then in the bottom bar we scroll to the right, and then find the edit button. After we tap on the edit button, we have three options. We can either rotate, mirror, or crop the clip. We have to tap on crop to proceed, and then we just move this little rectangle and crop the clip as we like. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to tap on the OK button to save it. Bye.